Hello, welcome on my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm restoring the cx500. Not everything goes very well, but first thing first, I installed all parts that is not cleaned or refurbished because I want to know if it works, and later on I will restore or replace things to make it nicer, neater, cleaner and more beautiful. Yes, oil and dirt, I get it off with old petrol and a brush. And those two engines, I need them. So I need them. First, what I'm going to do, because I have the time, those cylinder heads. I want to do those cylinder heads. So watch me in the next movies. I will prepare those cylinder heads. Oh, sorry, those cylinder heads. I want to take them apart, totally apart, all the valves out, valve springs out, clean them, and then I'm going to protect all the threads with bolts and studs. That's not what I need. Also this cylinder head, look, and look there, same cylinder head but two different bikes. Yes, that's possible. Also there you can see this one, never sandblast it, only clean it in the petrol. That's not problem. And when you install it, please give it a drop of oil and nothing more. Only clean it, not sandblast it, not paint it. You don't see it anything anyway. Look, can you find it where it is? It's not sandblasted, it's not painted. You can't see it, so don't do it. You will wreck it. Then if you want to wreck it, yeah, I'm happy for you. So, some people ask me to go on with the engines. Yes, I'm going to continue with those engines because those cylinder heads, those four, I'm going to sandblast in my homemade sandblast furnace unit, whatever box. Oh, I'm taking the ropes off because I have a ventilation below, you can hear it. I use air intake filters of a Ford Mondeo. They are very cheap and also reliable. It is Ford, you know. So the sand will stay in this cabinet. I'm going to sandblast those front legs, suspension, and I have a light inside here. Yeah, you can see it. And what do I use? Normal sand, and in Holland we use it to put it under the tiles in the street, or put it in your children's sand box, whatever, to play with sand. So this one, it's normal sand, and twice a year I will replace it with 75 kilo each. So I need approximately 150 kilo sand each year. And what is over? I put it in the garden. So, and the glass. The glass is special treated, hardened. You can buy it by the IKEA, and it lasts for several hours. And then I use 4 screws and a little bit of silicone kit to screw a new one in, and that's all. Ow. And that's what I use for sandblasting. It works fine. Oh, the sandblast gun. Yes, let me explain. You need 2 compressors. One is not enough. And it's a simple blow torch, and it takes the sand like, yeah, very easy. Ceramic nozzle, and it will last long enough, and you can buy them on the internet, very cheap. It's not very expensive. and it worked well for me. So thanks for watching. Next video is going to be about those cylinder heads, and follow me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.